55 are out. 5 are out. 22 are out. 31 on it. Get that 34 around. Wish you all a good right to my phone. 8217 Saber. 8217 Saber. Between those two, the Kennedy Fire Support and Occupied Apartment Building, Apartment 7. Correction, Apartment 17. Team 2 and all responding. Copy. EMS phone. Standby. Safer, fire scene. 53 scene.
Line on the phone, that's his apartment.
They just had the roof done. She must kick the bitch in. I'm not going to kick it in. Don't do this. Y'all scared up. Don't kick the bitch in.
Yeah.
What? I think the fire's over here.
On the other side. This is here. You can check out the screen.
Poke a hole in this ceiling.
Okay, open up.
This way.
This way.
Keep that way. All those departments looking in the back. We have fire coming out the roof. But they're in it, blowing. Keep open there, open the wall up, we gotta get up there. But I'm taking the attic. I'll get up there, the attic will all be together.
Drink it. Ja. Ja.
Hebben ze hem? Ze hebben hem nu?
Ja, denk ik wel, ja.
We got it this time!
It's all open. Yeah, it's right there.
Got him.
Can you get further over this way or just right here?
Just right there. Under control. Ben ik zeker, hè? Of nee, nee. Ja.
En die gaat hij?
Als die belring komt.
Ja. Start in 19, you go out to reload.
19 is in the other side.
Other side.
19 the other side on the left. Gaan we naar buiten. Yeah, we're going down. Hè? Ja. Dus nee. Hij weet dat we naar beneden gaan, dus
Ladder 27 of ladder 22, the power needs to be full.
Mark 3+1.
wat hebben we hier allemaal? 42, 22, 55. Ze gaan zijn er niet, hè? Nee. Ja, ze moeten daar ergens tussen staan.
There we go.
Ah, kijk dan, zo. Oké. Nature. Je wordt gek van dat ding.